Good morning, students. Earlier we have done chapter probability. Now we will start chapter statistics. What is the meaning of statistics? Actually, statistics is the branch of mathematics which deals with data collection, like these types of things, and drawing also. You can say that statistics means it is the we can say that it is a branch of mathematics which deals with all collections we can do, presentation, analysis, interpretation of data, and drawing of interferences like this. Okay, students, now we will start exercise 14.1. 14.1 is the exercise. In this question, what we have to give the answer. First question is, give 5 examples of data that you can collect from your day-to-day life. We have to say that this is statistics. Exercise 14.1. Exercise 14.1 is saying that first question, give 5 examples of data that you can collect from your day-to-day life. Means we have to collect the data which we can use day-to-day life. Means day-to-day life means what we will see around our others. So like this, जो भी चीज़ें हम अपने आसपास देखते हैं, this we can say that. So the examples we have to write. So many of the examples are like this here. First question is give 5 examples. So we can say that first one is number of student of the class. First one is we can say that number of students of the class. How many are girls? How many are boys? Like this. Number of fans in your school. Number of fans in our school. Like this we can give many of the examples. So we have to write only 5 examples. So what we can say that next thing is that population of our state. Population of our state. Population of our state, we can say that population having 4-wheelers. Having 4-wheelers, we can say that. Now we can say that electricity bill came out in electricity bill of we can say that of last 10 years. Like this you can say that how many means electricity bill, we can say number of fans in our school, population of our state having 4-wheeler, means population, either you can say that number of peoples of our state, number of peoples of our state having 4-wheelers, and like this we can say that next thing is that we can say that either in book we can say electricity bill, and much more thing we can say that candidates won in election. We can say it like this. We have to write many more things because we have to write the day-to-day basis examples. We can make any of the data in these types of things. So first is the number of students of the class, number of fans in our school, number of peoples of our state, electricity bill of last year, candidates last 10 years, candidates won in candidate won in elections. Like this we can say it. Okay, students. Now the second question is, classify the data in question number 1 above as primary or secondary. So student, this question is given in your book also. This is given already in NCERT, so you can do it yourself. Okay, student. Now student, we will start exercise 14.2. Now exercise, we are starting exercise 14.2. So the first question is given that the blood groups of 30 students of class 8th are recorded as follows. The question is given in your book, so you can see this and represent the data in the form of a frequency distribution table. So students, we are making frequency distribution table. How we can make it? You know well, earlier you have done in 8th class also, I think, these types of questions. So how we can make it? First question is that what is given, that a blood group of 30 students it is given. So first we will write blood group and then tally marks, and students it is given that, so students we can say that blood number of students, you can say that, we can say that number of students. So blood group having, blood groups are there in your book. So students, what we will do first, it is given that blood group A, B, O and AB. It is given A, B, O and AB. Now students, we will count a blood group A having students. How many of there? So I am counting it here in my book, and you can see it in your book also. So check it also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 are given that of A group. So what we will do now? 5 we will do it like this, and then rest is 4. So these are 9. Similarly students, B group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I am writing 6. 5 and 1, 6. Blood group having O group. O groups are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So we can say that blood group O are 12. 12 means 5 is here, 5 is like this, and 1, 2. That means these are the 12 students having blood group O. And similarly AB. AB means AB, how many are there? 1, 2 and 3. AB are 3. So students, the total number of students are 30. So we can calculate it. If the total number is coming 30, so our data is correct. Otherwise it may be wrong. 9, 6, 15 and 12, 3, 15. 15 and 15 plus 15 students, we know that it is 30. Total students is equal to 30. So our data is correct. So what we have to find in this question, which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among these students. We have to find the which is the rarest blood group among these students, common and rarest. So common is, which is coming more, common blood group, it is not visible, so I am writing it here. Common blood group, common blood group is 12, and rarest mean which is coming less, जो सबसे कम है. Rarest blood group is equal to common blood group. I have written it here 12. 12 means O group is here, and similarly rarest is 3. Sorry, it is AB. We can say that AB is the rarest group, and most common blood group is O. So students, this question we have done it like this. So first you have to make the table and then write blood group A, blood group B, blood group O and blood group AB, and then tally marks. Tally marks means 5 we have to do it like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 will be cut it like this, and then after what are remaining, so I am writing like this. 5 plus 4 is 9. Similarly here 5 plus 1 is 6. Here it will be from starting point to the ending point, you have to cut it. So 12 and AB is 3. So you can do it like this student. So after this we will start question number 2. Pause the video and note down this question. Now students, we will start question number 2. Question number 2 is given that table is given in your book also. So I am not writing the data here, I am only making the table here. So what is given? The distance in kilometer of 40 engineers from their residence to their place of work were found as follows. The distance it is given that 5, 3, 10, 20 like this. It is given in your book. Construct a grouped frequency distribution. Here student, grouped frequency distribution means we have to write something in group like 0 to 5 it is given that book में आपका क्या दिया हुआ है with class size 5 for the data given about taking the first interval as 0 to 5 means we have to take 0 to 5 interval and then we can write 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20 like this. What main features do you observe from this tabular representation? So student, first we will make the table and then we will write the answers. What will be the answer? So first is question number 2. It is given that we have to draw a table like this 0 to 5. Student, one more thing you have to remember that 0 to 5 means it will not include 5. It is written in your book also. Means जब भी आप 0 to 5 लेंगे तो आप ऊपर की वैल्यूज को नहीं लेंगे उसके अंदर 0 to 5. When we will take 5 to 10, it means 5 will come there and 10. 5 to 10 means only 5 to 9 values will be come there and 10 वाली वैल्यूज नहीं आएंगी. 10 जो आपकी वैल्यूज आएंगी वो नेक्स्ट वन में चले जाएंगे. So student, what we will do it? First one is distance in kilometer. We will write. First we will write distance in kilometer and then again we will do tally marks and then after number of engineers frequency. Number of engineers. Student, number of engineers means it is written that frequency. We can say frequency. In exercise 14.3 we will do these types of questions. So it is called number of engineers means everything where it is coming in numbers form, it means it is called frequency. So student, we can say it frequency also. So I have written it here only in number of engineers. You can write it like this. Either you can say that it is called frequency. Frequency means number of engineers what are coming, number of engineers, number of students, number of teachers, like this. Now we have to make the table. 0 to 5 we have to take and then we have to select the numbers. So first number is 3. It is given there 3 like this and the last number is we have to check it and then we will make the table. 0 it is given that 525 it is so we will find that maximum number is I think 32 is there, so we can make a table. So again 0 to 5. Student, the last number is 32, so I am making the table till 35. 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35. So student, this is given in your book and then tally marks. Now we have to calculate. The numbers are coming between 0 to 5. 5 will not include it here. I have told you earlier that 5 will not include there. So 0 to 5 means it will be till 0 to 4. Means we can take the numbers between 0 to 5 means 0 and the last maximum number will be 4. So we can calculate it and we can add it like this. So first number is 5. So 5 will not come in this group. And second number is 3. So I am calculating all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I am writing it here like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number of engineers are here. In the group 0 to 5 is 5 are here. So student, you can see this question in your book also and you can calculate it yourself also. 0 to 5 means you can calculate it how many of the engineers are there, 5. So I have written it here 5. Similarly here 5 to 10 means it means it will come 5 and the last number will be of 9. So we can say that we have to calculate it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 11s are coming here student. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 is 11. So we can say that the 5 to 10 are 11 students. 11 engineers are there. These are not students, these are engineers. Similarly 10 to 15 I am calculating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So these are coming here again 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Both are coming same 11 and 11. So and the 15 to 20 means 15 to 19 we will take 15 and then 19 is the maximum number. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and I think last one is 9. So 9 are coming 15 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. The number of engineers are 9. And next number is 20 to 25. So we will calculate it here 20, and the maximum number will be of 24. 25 will not include here. So 20 to 25 means we will calculate it. 20 to 25 means one number is 20 is there, and no one number is there. So 20 to 25 means coming only 1. Tally mark is 1, and the number is also 1 here. And then 25 to 30 is 25, a number is given, and between 25 to 30 there is no number, so it is 1 also. 1. It is the tally mark. And then 30 to 35, how many are there? 30 to 35 means we will include 35. 34 is the last number, so calculate it. So the first number is, I think 32 is there, and one number, and 31 and 32 are there, so there are 2 numbers. So you can check it in your book also. It is given in your book 1, 2. So I have written it there. So students, the total number of engineers are, we know that how many students are there? Total number 40. So ये भी क्या आना चाहिए, इन सबका sum will be 40. 11 and 5 16, 16 and 9 25, and 11 and 2 13, and 2 15. 25 and 15 student, this is 40. So total is equal to 40. So I think student हमारा आंसर ये ठीक होगा. 5 11 11 9 1 1 and 2. So the number of students are engineers are coming 40. Now student, what we have to find, what main features do you observe from this tabular form? We can say that we have observed in this tabular form. What you have observed student? We have observed that in 5 to 10 and 10 to 15 engineers are same. In the distance of 5 to 10 and 10 to 15 engineers lives in same distance, so it is 11 and 11, we can say it. And in 20 to 25 we can say that these are coming 1 and 1. So these two are, we have observed that in this group to frequency 5 to 10, between 5 to 10 distance kilometer, 11 engineers are there, and 10 to 15 engineers are 11. So the number of engineers are same. We can say in 20 to 25 and 25 to 30 the engineers are same again. So and the least value is lying between this number 20 to 25 and 25 to 30 students. So we can say it like this. So student, we can say that maximum engineers lie between 5 to 10. We can say it either I am writing here maximum engineers are in, कहाँ पे maximum engineers lie between 5 to 10 and 10 to 15. This one is first. Second, we can say that minimum कहाँ पे lie करते हैं आपके? These are 20 to 25 and 25 to 30. And student, and the last we can say that in every of the grouped frequency, in every of the group is there 0 to 5, 5 to 10 like this. At least one engineer is there. Means हर किसी group में देखिए ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई भी engineers नहीं lie करता है. It means all the engineers lies between all the groups. At least one engineer is also there. So you can do it like this student. Now the question number 3. Question number 3 is same as this question, and it is given that the relative humidity in percent of a certain city for a month of 30 days was as follows, and the data it is given that 98.1 98.6 like this. You can check in your book also. Construct a grouped frequency distribution table with class. It is given that class is here given that it is given that 84 to 86, 86 to 88 means we have make it like this. यहाँ पे हमने जैसे आपका 0 to 5, 5 to 10 बना रखा है, तो यहाँ क्या बनाएंगे 84 to 86 and 86 to 88 like this. We can make the table and then write tally marks here, and then number of what is given that relative humidity it is given that, so it means number of days it is given, so you can write it here number of days and then make this table also. So student, pause this video and note it down, and then after we will do the next question, and the third question you can do it in your homework. Now student, question number 4 is that the heights of a 50 students are given. Now in this question 50 students height are given, and the data is given that 161, 150, 154. You can see in your book also. So this is given and represent the data given by a grouped frequency distribution table, taking the class interval as 160 to 165 and 165 to 170 like this. So we have to take it like this. But we are seeing that the numbers are 150 is also here, so we can make the table with 150. So students, now again we can make a table. This is question number 4. Height and tally marks. Height and tally marks, and what we have to find? We have to find that it is given that the height of 50 students. Height of 50 students means we can say that number of students. Number of students means students, you can say it that it is frequency also. So again make the table. Height, we have to take the height is like this. It is given that 160 to 165 and 165 to 70 means the difference between these two are 5. So we can take it. So the least number is 150 and the last number is, we can say that maximum number is, it is here 174. It is given that. So we have to check this, the how many numbers are there. 173 is also there. It means we have to take 170 to 175. So again 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, and 70 to 75. So we can say 70 to 75 also. So again we have to collect the data. 150 to 155 means we have to count it. Counting means, counting आप लोग बड़े आराम से किया कीजिए, because counting should be correct. Now 150 to 155, we are counting it like this. 1 in this line, 2 is also there, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, now 11, 12 are there. So we can do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2. So the total number of students are here 12. Again now we will count 55 to 60. Again 55 to 60 means 60 will not include it here. So 55 to 61, sorry, it is here it is 161, 155 na. So we have written 55 to 60. We have written it 50 to 55, but it is given that 150. So I have corrected 150 to 155 like this. So students, now again count it 155 to 160. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So I think 9 are coming here. So we will calculate it at the last also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4. These are 9. Now 160 to 165. There are a lot of 160 to 165 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 are coming. No, one more is here. 14 are here. So we can say it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 14 are there. Now again 165 to 170 means 165 and then 169 will be the maximum number. So 165 to 170 we are calculating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 165 also there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 10 students are coming between these. So students, these are the 10 students. And 170 to 175 are, these are the last one. 170 to 170, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are coming here. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we can say it like this. So how we can check our answer? We have to add it, and it should be 50. 12 and 9 21, 21 and 14 35, and 5 40, and 10 50. So the total number of students are coming, student 50. So 50 are coming, so it means our data is correct maybe. So you can check it also. Because these types of questions we have to collect the data, because the counting is must. अगर आपकी counting इसमें आपकी सही होनी चाहिए. And you can use the pencil also when you are calculating. These are 150 to 155 like this, tick 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 tick, you can do it like this, then you can collect the data. So this will be a right method to write it. And then and in second part, what we have to do, what can you conclude about their height from the table? What we can conclude that height from the table? What we are calculating? We are calculating that we can conclude that 12 and 9 21, 21 and 14 is coming 35. So we can say that data less than 160 to 65 contain more than 50%. So we can write it like this. Answer is second part is that. So student, we can say it like this. We can say that more than 50% students height is more than, we can say that more than 50% students, we can say it more than 50% student. One more thing, that more than 50% student height is shorter than, we can say it student 165 centimeter. So this question we have done it like this. So student, do this question in your Fairnet book, and thank you for watching this video. And then after we will do the next question in our next video.